Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we are looking at something truly exciting for photographers and filmmakers alike. The Fujifilm X-T6 is creating a lot of buzz, and if the leaks are correct, it could be one of the most impressive APS-C mirrorless cameras in years. For anyone who loves high-resolution images, smart autofocus, and cinema-grade video in a compact body, this might be the camera to watch closely in 2025. The first big highlight is the rumored 40-megapixel APS-C XR sensor. This is more than just a number, it is a potential game-changer for photographers. With 40 megapixels, you can crop your images heavily without losing important detail. For commercial work, street photography, or fine art prints, this level of resolution gives unmatched flexibility. Imagine being able to capture a fleeting moment on the street and later crop it to perfection while still maintaining clarity suitable for large prints or online publications. For hybrid shooters who do both photo and video work, this could simplify workflows and reduce the need for multiple cameras. Another feature that stands out in the leaks is in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. Fujifilm fans have been asking for this for years, and it seems the X-T6 may finally deliver. The rumored 5-axis system could offer up to 7 stops of stabilization. This is not just a number on a spec sheet. It means sharper handheld shots in low-light situations and smoother video without a tripod. Wedding photographers, travel shooters, or documentarians working in challenging environments could find this invaluable. From evening portraits to fast-moving street scenes, the stabilization could change how we shoot with an APS-C camera. Fujifilm is also rumored to be introducing a new smart autofocus system. The camera might include AI-enhanced subject detection, tracking eyes, faces, and even animals. It could follow moving objects through complex backgrounds like crowds or trees. With the rumored X Processor 5 at the heart of the camera, autofocus might become smarter than ever. For photographers, this means less worrying about missing a moment and more confidence in capturing exactly what you want. Whether it is a bride walking down the aisle or a bird in flight, the camera could offer reliable focus and predictive accuracy, making it easier to shoot complex subjects in real time. Video shooters will likely be thrilled with the X-T6 as well. Rumors point to 6K video at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 10-bit internal color depth. This kind of setup could rival some professional cinema cameras, giving hybrid shooters the ability to create high-quality videos without adding a large, heavy cinema rig. The camera may also support F-Log 2, offering more flexibility in post-production. For creators, this means better highlight recovery, more color grading options, and professional-looking results straight out of a compact mirrorless body. Film simulations, a hallmark of Fujifilm cameras, are expected to return. These simulations allow creators to get unique looks and moods without heavy editing, making shooting faster and more creative. The build quality is another area where the X-T6 could stand out. Leaks suggest a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, with some additions possibly offering titanium or Durac coating. These materials do more than make the camera look premium, they add real durability. For professional photographers who often shoot outdoors or in difficult conditions, a strong body is essential. Combining high-end performance with stylish, robust design, the X-T6 could appeal to those who want both function and form. Connectivity seems to be another focus for Fujifilm. The camera might include USB-C power delivery, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This opens up options for remote shooting, fast file transfers, and charging on the go, which is perfect for travel or field work. Dual UHS to SD card slots could provide flexible recording options, such as backup storage or high-speed workflows. Professionals can work without worrying about running out of space or losing footage, which is a significant consideration for long shoots. The viewfinder is another important aspect of the X-T6. Fujifilm's hybrid optical electronic viewfinder has been a signature feature of the X-T series, and leaks suggest it will be improved. With higher brightness levels and faster refresh rates, this viewfinder could provide a more fluid and precise shooting experience for both photography and video. It maintains the feel of an analog camera while offering modern EVF benefits, combining heritage with evolution in one device. Early leaks indicate the camera might start around $1,999, with premium variants reaching about $2,200 depending on finish and accessories. While this positions the X-Pro 6 at the higher end of APS-C mirrorless pricing, it targets professionals and serious hobbyists who value performance, reliability, and creative flexibility over entry-level affordability for creators who would otherwise need both a separate photo and video setup. This could represent significant value. The potential user base for this camera is broad. Hybrid creators who produce both video and photo content might find it an all-in-one solution. Wedding and event professionals could benefit from dual card slots, USB-C charging, and AI autofocus, making long days more manageable. Street and travel photographers could enjoy APS and the compact form factor for easy handheld shooting, while cinematic creators can take advantage of 10-bit recording and F-Log for post-production flexibility. While these leaks are exciting, it is always important to remain cautious. Fujifilm has a strong track record with its X-series cameras, and detailed leaks like these often come from insider sources or test units. However, final retail specs sometimes change, and features may be scaled back. Current speculation suggests a potential launch between October and December 2025, which could position the X-Pro 6 to compete with holiday releases from Canon and Sony. In conclusion, if even half of these leaks are true, the X-Pro 6 could be one of the most forward-thinking APS-C cameras in recent memory. Between a high-resolution sensor, advanced stabilization, intelligent autofocus, and professional video features, it appears ready to redefine what hybrid shooters expect from a mirrorless system. That said, it is essential to balance excitement with realism, as the camera market is competitive, and not all expectations are met. If Fujifilm hits the right balance between features and price, the X-Pro 6 could reshape the APS-C market for 2025 and beyond. Now that we've covered the key specs and potential performance of the Fujifilm X-Pro 6, let's explore what this camera could really mean for photographers and filmmakers in everyday use. Imagine having a camera that blends the flexibility of a high-end APS-C sensor with the portability of a compact body. This combination could redefine how hybrid shooters approach both photo and video work. The 40-megapixel sensor not only promises incredible detail, but also allows for creative cropping without worrying about losing resolution. For street photographers, this means capturing candid moments from a distance while still producing images sharp enough for exhibitions or professional publication. Commercial photographers can push creative boundaries knowing that every shot maintains pixel integrity. In essence, this camera could give the freedom to work faster, smarter, and with more confidence. One of the standout features that could transform everyday shooting is the rumored in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, a 5-axis system with up to 7 stops of compensation is more than just a spec. It could be a game-changer in low-light photography and handheld video. This means you could capture evening portraits without a tripod or film moving subjects without worrying about shakes. Whether you're documenting a fast-moving event, traveling through bustling cities, or shooting a wedding ceremony, IBIS could make handheld work more reliable than ever. Combined with Fujifilm's enhanced autofocus, subject tracking could finally feel effortless. Eyes, faces, animals, or even moving vehicles could be tracked with incredible precision, giving hybrid shooters the confidence to focus on composition and creativity rather than technical limitations. Video capabilities on the X-Pro 6 also deserve attention. Rumors suggest it will support 6K video at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 10-bit internal recording. Add F-Log to the mix, and this camera could rival dedicated cinema cameras, all in a compact mirrorless package, Post-production flexibility is key here. Highlights can be recovered more effectively, color grading becomes more versatile, and content creators can achieve cinematic looks straight from a single device. For YouTubers, travel filmmakers, and hybrid creators, this could mean one camera does it all. No more switching between separate photo and video setups. Instead, the X Pro 6 could serve as a complete solution for high-quality storytelling. Fujifilm's iconic film simulations are also expected to make a return, giving photographers the ability to create striking images straight out of the camera. For hybrid shooters, this reduces editing time while preserving artistic expression.